Hello guys, come let's cook rice, and I'm going to be cooking it with this electric cooker. So here is my water, my parboiled rice, and I'll add it in. I'll add in salt, some powdered Maggi, some onion powder, and some olive oil, guys. That is how I like cooking my rice. Like this, you can eat it with hot stew. My kids like it and they eat it with cheese and they really enjoy it. So that is how I like cooking mine. Feel free to cook yours the way you like. So I would like to cook. So yeah, it is cooked. Thank you for watching. Follow me on all social platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Lady B. Varieties is the name. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful, health recipe, cooking videos, family.